she said they're getting some snow, or they got some snow earlier in the week, so it should be a good race, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, and also being right along the shores of Lake Superior, you get lots of lake effect snow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so like Marquette could pick up like 170, 180 inches of snow a season.
Oh, but we're in a snow drought, she's calling it.
Yeah, oh yeah, big time.
I mean, where's the snow? When can I plan for the snow?
Well, it looks like a good chance of shovelable snow right now is going to be about a week out.
Oh.
So around like next week, I wouldn't say week out, about Tuesday or so, late Monday, Tuesday.
Okay.
But seems like anytime we talk about snow, it decides to dive south like 500
That's true.
miles.
Maybe we shouldn't talk about it.
Yeah, let's not talk about it, and then one day we'll look out the window and we'll see snow. So eventually it'll happen. Yesterday, temperature 46 degrees. Certainly didn't feel like February standards. 55 in Chicago, but it was 17 in International Falls. A strong divide from spring to winter, but that cold air has retreated back over here and has pushed in, and temperatures running 20 degrees below what we were at this time yesterday morning, with values anywhere from 20 to over 30 degrees cooler this morning. A strong area of high pressure from Canada has been pushing this storm system down to the south. Last week, for today, we were talking about the potential for a major snowstorm. Now, obviously, things have changed since then. Now, the storm system itself, this area low pressure, will be tracking across Kansas, Missouri, into Illinois and Indiana, bringing in a band of snowfall across with it. You can see those winter storm warnings in effect from Wichita, north of St. Louis, south of Chicago, into northern Indiana and southern Michigan, with snowfall accumulations already starting to pick up. Some areas could pick up around 6 to 8 inches of snowfall. As for us, it's really just a cloud cover that we're going to be dealing with here from this storm, so not going to have to do any shoveling. But you're talking about how we just have the lack of snowfall in general. We're running quite a bit below average in terms of precipitation. So this is like snow melted down to water equivalent. We're seeing anywhere from about an inch to an inch and a half below average, but there's a sliver right here for parts of Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, and Manitowoc counties between an inch and a half to 2 inches below average. And we're running the third driest start to the year in terms of precipitation. So even though we have about 10 inches of snowfall, running about the 27th least start for the year, keep in mind that a lot of that snow is very dry and fluffy. It's not a lot of water content on it. So whenever we get a warmer day, that snow quickly melts off. In terms of what we can expect for the next 24 hours, it's going to be starting to dry, clear things out as we get into tonight. Then as we head into tomorrow, cloudy skies start to build in here, and another chance of some light snowfall. Not expecting a whole lot of accumulation out of this, just about a dusting or so. Thinking about as we get into the afternoon and evening tomorrow. It is 22 outside, wind chill of 10 with a north wind at 12 miles per hour. It is a chillier morning, so you'll want to bundle up. We've got wind chills down into the single digits. It feels like 2 in Pembine, 9 in Shawano, 8 in Wapaka, and 11 in Fond du Lac. And those wind chills are going to be sticking around here in the single digits for most of the day today. So it is going to be a cold one, with temperatures right now ranging from the upper teens and the lower to mid 20s. So as we head later on into the afternoon, we'll climb up to about 20 degrees, north winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then for tonight, we'll drop down into 4 with winds northwest at 5 to 15. Tomorrow getting up to 30 degrees with a little bit of light snow building in here later on in the afternoon hours. Climbing to 45 on Sunday, and then we start to cool back down with another chance of snowfall Monday and Tuesday. Right now that looks like it could be a pretty good measurable snow, but things can always change, so something just to continue to watch.
I like the idea of us just not talking about it and then it'll happen versus what we've been doing.
Although I feel like I might get backlash like, Gino, why is there a foot of snow on the ground?
That's true.
Yeah.
Gino, thank you. Coming up, we're